Good evening. Today I would like to explain the corporate training on data science applications using AI, ML, and DL techniques. So, data science is the process of extracting meaningful, interested patterns from the huge volume of data by applying statistical AI and machine and deep learning techniques. Here are the syllabus of data science: introduction to data science, Python programming, probability and statistics, data structures and algorithms, database and data warehousing, and generative AI and data mining concepts, natural language processing, big data technologies, artificial neural networks, machine and deep learning techniques, augmented and virtual reality technique, and followed by the various case studies like business applications and case studies, groundwater and climate change data analysis using AI, ML, and DL techniques, COVID 19 and variants virus prediction and detection using AI, ML, and DL techniques, Ebola virus prediction and detection using AI, ML, and DL techniques, prostate, breast, skin, and lung cancer prediction using ML and DL techniques. So, this is the syllabus of industry corporate training syllabus of data science. So, I am going to give you 45 days training and 60 days training and 30 days training according to your requirement, and you can contact me through my WhatsApp and Facebook and LinkedIn and various social networks. You can contact me.